I just want to make this short video to thank Joel Vasquez in helping me develop the correct mindset and skills required to really go out there to learn how to make high commission based sales within affiliate marketing without actually complicating things by developing the correct mindset and skills required. See, these criteria within marketing, is something that I was struggling with for a long time before I met Joel. I've been with and invested into a hell of a lot of courses out there on my affiliate marketing journey. Followed a hell of a lot of gurus out there too, but I've not quite come across anyone quite like Joel. He basically strips everything back down to basics. Real old school marketing at its best, what the modern day structure actually lacks. I've been a part of his mentorship program for a little over a month now. And I've already made my first $1,000 in commissions under him. So if you're really looking for a real mentor, you're looking for a real mentor out there to get you to your very first six-figure sums, then Joel Vasquez is your man. It's just a case of following his blueprint laid out and live the life that you want to live, that you well and truly deserve.